Temp-tations, which we have enjoyed here at QVC for 16 years. And more than 17.5 million sets of Temp-tations have made their way out the door. This is the Temp-tations Old World or Floral Lace 13 by 9 Baker with Lid Its and Tote. 13 by 9, we love to have. This is the perfect addition to our sets, but that tote is everything.
Well, it's the largest tote that we've ever offered, Mary. It has embroidery on the top, on the bottom, on the sides, and I always say the intelligence is on the inside. 2 reasons why. Number 1, it has our silver therm lining, so this is going to help keep hot things hotter longer, cold things colder longer, but also inside are all of the great pieces, and I love to say that this is like the clown car. Pocket here, you can slide over your recipe cards, your tool there, but let's talk about it. The single most requested, most used baking dish is really at the heart of this set, our 13 by 9 4-quart baker. We include, of course, your mini mitts. We include 6 great recipes to get you started, and we include a silicone spatula, which is awesome stainless steel that goes right in the dishwasher. And then we included not 1, but 2 deep dish liddits. Your cookie sheet, your cutting board, your serving platter, the lid for on top of the baker, the trivet for under the baker, and even, Mary, the wire rack and the snap-on storage cover. All of these pieces nest right inside here, store right inside here, but work together to make, bake, and take everything you need to.
Okay, it's back in stock. We already lost 1 from earlier today, and I just want to give you a little comparison because this is a 13 by 9 that we got out at retail. This is $46 for just a few dollars more. I'm sorry, I didn't see this come with any lid its or any recipe or any tools or anything like that. So no tote. $46. You get all the pieces that Tara just showed you for just a few dollars more. $49.98 is the featured price. It's on free shipping and handling.
Love that.
And it's on 6 easy payments of $833. Shall we show them all?
I would love to. So we're starting up top with our floral lace. So floral lace has the beading that runs around the edges. It's actually carved or engraved into the side of the stoneware, and then the color saturation around it. So here we have on top our fall. This is our goldenrod. It's got a leaf detail that's engraved inside. Beneath that is actually our pumpkin. This is more of that true pumpkin color with the pumpkin detail, which I think is sweet. Your totes will coordinate in color and pattern. We can only show a couple while we're out here. Next door we have your green. We have that gorgeous inky cobalt blue. I love that. It's almost iridescent. And then at the very bottom we have our eggplant. So I love that, one of our newest members of the family. Were you looking for that eggplant?
Yes.
You can show it.
Wait, look. Look at the eggplant tote.
Eggplant, gorge.
Grapey tote.
Love that. Then in the middle we have, of course, our red. That's our cranberry on top, our holiday red in the middle, and then that light blue at the bottom.
Gorgeous.
And then all the way at the end we have our chocolate, we have our spice, and we have our black. So that kind of wraps up everything in our floral lace family.
Okay.
Down below, I'm sorry.
The free shipping and handling are gone at the end of the day.
Oh.
I just kind of wanted to highlight that for everybody that may be thinking about getting this later. I would get it tonight.
Got it.
That's a beautiful color mix.
The Falfetti, I love this. Even though we only carry it this time of year, I have to say it's an autumnal palette that many of you love, a Tuscan palette to keep in your kitchen. Here's our Falfetti, and underneath there is going to be confetti.
May I ask you while you're there, what tote does the Falfetti come with?
It's got an orange one, and it's got brown stripes on it.
Thank you.
So it's a multicolor tote as well.
Thank you, thank you.
Ooh, putting me on the spot.
I'm sorry.
Got it.
I was curious. Nailed it.
In the middle here, we have our eggplant, we have our blue, and then we have our green. You crack me up. In the middle, we have, of course, our cranberry, a little softer, more muted. The red is going to be underneath, that true kitchen red. And then at the very end, we have our brown, we have our spice, which Mary collects. And then, of course, we have our black in our old world.
Okay, this is back in stock. We've already lost 1 of the patterns today, the seasonal patterns. I have to highlight to you, too, that the seasonal patterns we will not see again until 2019 when they are gone. So keep in mind, 13 by 9, $46 of retail, or 13 by 9 from Temp-tations with the 2 deep dish liddits, the wire rack, the tote, and more. And you could make dishes like this.
Easy for me to do. Could you grab that door?
Absolutely.
Thank you. Let's let the girl who's 5 feet tall grab this bubbling hot baker
I turned around and thought, I don't want to jostle her.
She's good. Okay, here's what I love. So the Lid It is a cookie sheet, it's a cutting board, it's a serving platter, it's a baking sheet. So doing things, like your focaccia bread, where you have that gorgeous crust on the bottom, you never have to worry about it sticking. It's really hot, so I can't unfortunately show you too much. But here we did our roasted vegetables on one Lid It, our focaccia bread on the other Lid It, and then look at this. We did a beautiful kind of Mexican chicken casserole.
Oh my gosh.
So look at this.
Ooh.
Here's what I love. First of all, nothing sticks to it, naturally non-stick. So you can prep, cook, serve, and store, make, bake, and take everything. And what I love the most about this, Mary, is you can go ahead and snap this right on top and then take it on the go. They're BPA free, and that's always one of the things we love to talk about is the fact that you can take this right out of an oven at 500 degrees, snap that lid on, zip it up, take it on the go, and when you get to where you're going, it's still hot.
This is why well over 45,000 of this set have been sold here at QVC, is because I don't want to put this on the table.
No, you don't.
To serve my family. It
Right.
might have cooked the cake up fine. It's okay.
Yep, it's probably stuck,
Yep,
but-
I'm not, actually.
I mean, I'm just saying.
It is. So I'm going to put that down.
Yep.
But that's why we pick up Temp-tations, because it's not just about the results, which are fantastic. It's about that presentation. That's why you see the shows at QVC called Temp-tations Presentable Kitchen, because this is all about making, baking, and now taking,
which I
along
love,
with us.
right? So even, and I love this idea, this is my mom's idea, to go ahead and put ice in the bottom of that baker. Because what we know about Temp-tations is as great as it is an insulator of hot, it's an incredible insulator of cold as well. So when you're doing antipasto, when you're doing your shrimp cocktail, everything will stay nice and cold throughout the meal. So most versatile baking dish, our 4-quart brownie dish, you know, everything you can possibly think of.
Another-
But we just, the clown car, keep including all of these pieces that really truly coordinate and set that great table.
Another 4,000 have already been ordered today.
Thank
So
you.
K46080 has been a very popular choice today, but that free shipping and that easy pay are gone at the end of the day today. That seasonal pattern is
Brand new, festive.
Love
so
the
this is our
festive.
Fetty in Floral Lace. I'll run you by real quick all the colors so
Thank
you
you,
can
my
see.
friend.
Right in front we have our fall and our pumpkin, so our 2 autumnal choices. Next door we have your green, that cobalt blue, and our eggplant. In the middle we have our cranberry, our red, and our light blue. And at the very end we have our chocolate, our spice, and our black. And then down in front, this is our old world pattern where Floral Lace is engraved. This is hand painted, really beautifully, fall Fetty, green confetti. Here's our eggplant, our blue, and our green. In the middle, our cranberry and our red. And at the very end, we have that beautiful brown, spice, and black. I can't. With
I
the
had to
pumpkin tote.
grab
I
the
know.
pumpkin tote.
All the totes are stinking cute and they coordinate back perfectly.
They're totes adorbs.
They're
Awful.
that was
$49.
fantastic. Ladies and gentlemen, Mary DeAngelis.
Thank you. $49.98, and we have 6 easy payments of $833. Now the free shipping and the easy pay are gone at the end of the day. My friend goes